Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope you feel good. In previous lesson, we have learned about human order, and now let's move on to the next discussion. The with about the plant. Nice, you're alright. One part the plant that is leaves. Students, we can know that plants are the producer oxygen of all living things. Now you will explain about the part of plant. There are several parts of a plant, namely stem, leaves, fruit, roots, seed, and flower. Well, as of this part has a function, namely the part of the plant that function as a place for photosynthesis to take place is the leaf. The leaf contains a lot of green. They call it chlorophyll. The leaves consist petiole and leaf blood and leaves are divided into two types, namely complete leaves and incomplete leaves. Leaves are said to be complete if they consist of three parts, namely midrib, stalk, and leaf blade. Example of plant that have complete leaves are banana plant. Leaves consist of the midrib, stalk, and leaf blade. Incomplete leaves are leaves that are only composed of one and two parts. An example of a plant that has incomplete leaves is mango. The leaves of a mango there only consist of the stalk and the leaf blade. The stem is the part of the plant that is about the ground. The stem is where the leaves, flower, and fruit come out. The stem also play a role in transporting water and nutrients from the root to the leaves. The stem also functions to circulate mineral and water that are absorbed by the root, as well as food substances produced by the plant. Photosynthesis to all part of the body. The stem is composed of primary tissue, namely 1. Outer scale has an outer wall of thickened cells that are modified into fine hair, spines, and lenticles. 2. The first skin located on the inside of the epidermis is composed of parenchyma tissue and supporting tissue. Supporting tissue consists of parenchyma tissue that has thickened cell walls at the corner or contain chloroplast. 3. The inner skin, which is the gundary but when the cortex and the stele is usually called the phloerma contains stress, so it is also called the floor sheet. 4. The central cylinder, which is composed of parenchyma, situated from the pits of the stem. There is a circle of cambium in the bundle of vessels. Between the bundles of vessels, there is a continuation of the pits. Parenchyma which appear as a spoke well and is called the pit's radius. Root in flowering plant, good and embedded in the soil and in water generally consists of the main roots. 10 from the set of these main roots, a root bends appear, and on the surface of the roots there is a skin of root fiber called root hair. The function of the root is to strengthen the establishment of the plant where it grows, absorb water and mineral salt from the soil, stored food reserves, for example in tubers, help absorb oxygen in the air. Shoots, as in mangrove, flower are part of the plant that function as a means of reproduction. Flowers are very important for plant breeding because in flower there are reproductive organs, namely the pistil and stamen of the flower part. 1. Petals are the outermost part of the flower. 2. The flower crown is located on the inside of the petal and usually has a variety of colors. 3. The pistil is the family genitalia. The pistil is in the middle of the flower. 4. The stamen are found in the center of the flower, adjacent to the flower crown. The stamen function as the male genitalia. Fruit is a part of the plant that function to protect the seed. Fruit are fleshy, for example mangoes and apples. Fruit consists of flesh and seed. Seeds are the result of fertilization that occur due to pollination between pollen and pistil. If the seeds are planted, they will grow into new plant. Seeds have one pitch and some have two pitches. One is called monocot and two seeds called dicot. It is very important for us to keep plant green so that there is more oxygen on air. So that was the explanation. for today materials. Okay, student. Thus, an explanation of plant of Paris should esteem leaves, roots, and flowers. Hopefully, you all understand about the part of plant and are motivated to keep plant green so that oxygen is maintained. That's all for today. If there is more or less, sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again.